In this video, I'll show you how you can redirect a domain in Cloudflare. So this is actually very easy. I'm going to walk you through and create a simple tutorial video which shows you how to do it. So what you need to do once you're on Cloudflare homepage, go ahead and click on the domain you want to redirect. In my case, that is going to be onlinevideohowto.com. What you also need to do is open up this window here. Now this is going to give you some written instructions as well as some IP addresses when we're going to need to copy. To get here, all I would do is search for Cloudflare redirect. Once you've done that, you need to look for this specific article. So if you scroll down here, you should see redirect one domain to another. Go ahead and click on that. Now what we need to do is add two A records to our domain. So here we are in our domain. We can go DNS. And here we are in the DNS record section. From here, we need to click add records. We're adding an A record and we just need to copy these records here. So starting off A record for the name, we need to put @ for the IP address. We need to copy this IP address and then we go back and we paste it in. Make sure that proxy is turned on and then click save, and then you will have added one A record. Now we'll do the same. We'll click add record, A record, www, and again we're just following this here. Copy this, paste it in, click save. So we've essentially just added these two records. Very simple stuff. Now what we need to do is create a rule which will redirect the domain to another domain. And how do we do that? So all we do is we go back to the domain overview by clicking on our domain. And then what we can do is we can scroll down until we find rules. Go ahead and then click this downwards arrow or just click on rules. And here we can create a rule. You may have more rules in here, but we're just going to create a very simple rule. So if we click on create rule, you can go ahead and configure one. But we're just going to click on templates and then use a template here. You want to scroll down, find redirect to a different domain. It'll be about the 4th or 5th one down. Click create rule. Okay, so we're going to be using this template. You want to change it to all incoming requests and then change this URL redirect from dynamic to static. And then here we can enter in a custom URL. I'm going to just redirect to YouTube. So type in your domain or paste it in here. Then click deploy. Then once that's done, you've essentially set up the redirect and we can now go ahead and check if it's working. So I'm just going to copy the domain. I'll go in an incognito tab and we'll see if it's working. Now, if it isn't working, as you can see, mine is working straight away. If it wasn't working, you will need to wait up to 48 hours for the DNS servers to propagate. But as you can just see from my demo, mine is working. If that helped, leave a like and comment down below.